My name is Rick Renner. This is November 26th, and our gem today is called A Simple Command That Will Require Your Strictest Obedience. And our scripture is Romans 14:19, where the Apostle Paul says, "Let us therefore follow after the things that make for peace." The word peace, the Greek word eirene, it really describes the putting away of weapons and beginning a time of reconstruction, prosperity, putting away strifeful distractions, and focus on that which is good. Paul says you need to follow for things that promote rebuilding, reconstruction, good relationships. The word follow is the Greek word dioko. The word dioko is a hunting term which described a hunter who put on his hunting gear and went out into the forest. He followed the scent of the animal and the track of the animal and didn't stop until he finally apprehended his game. By using this word, Paul tells us you need to be committed to peace, to rebuilding, restructuring, bringing in a new time of prosperity in your relationship compared to the past time of strife. But for you to attain this, you've got to put on your hunting gear and make a decision. You're going to go for this until you apprehend it. Peace. That's what I want you to think about today.